This is the Y-Log Lesson 29 worksheet. Today we're going to be converting mixed fractions. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So number 1, we have 1 and 2/5. So when converting the mixed fraction into an improper fraction, the denominator is going to stay the same. And to find the numerator, we're going to multiply the whole number, which is 1 in this problem, by the denominator, which is 5, and then add the numerator, which is 2. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So the improper fraction will be 7 over 5 for number 1. Number 2, we have 5 and 1/2. So again, the denominator is going to stay the same. And we're going to, for the numerator, we're going to multiply 5 times 2 and then add 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So the improper fraction is 11 over 2. Number 3, we have 1 and 1/2. So the bottom stays the same. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Number 4, we have 9 and 1/2. So our denominator is 2. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Number 5, we have 4 and 1/2. The denominator is 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Number 6, we have 3 and 4 over 7. The bottom is 7. We're going to multiply the whole number, which is 3, by the denominator, which is 7. 7 times 3 is 21, and we're going to add the numerator. 21 plus 4 is 25. Number 7, we have 5 and 1/4. So again, the denominator is going to be 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Adding mixed fractions. Add these mixed fractions, expressing your answer as an improper fraction or a whole number. So number 1, we have 1 and 7 over 8, plus 2 and 6/7. So first, we're going to convert this into an improper fraction like we did in the first part. 1 and 7 over 8 is the same thing as 15 over 8. And 2 and 6 over 7 is the same thing as 20 over 7. Next, we need to find a common denominator. In this case, it's going to be 56. So in order to get a common denominator of 56 for both fractions, we have to multiply the first one. We're going to multiply the top and bottom by 7. 7 times 15 is 105 over 56. And for 20 over 7, we have to multiply the top and bottom by 8. So 8 times 20 is 160, 56. 105 plus 160 is 265 over 56. And that will be your answer for number 1. Number 2, we have 1 and 1/4 plus 1 and 4/7. So again, we're going to convert it into an improper fraction. This is equivalent to 5 over 4 plus 11 over 7. We're going to find our common denominator, which is 28. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom for 5 over 4 by 7. 7 times 5 is 35 over 28. And for 11 over 7, we're going to multiply the top and bottom by 4. So 4 times 11 is 44. Next, we're going to just add them up. So 35 plus 44 is 79 over 28. And this is our final answer for number 2. We have 2 and 1/6 plus 3 and 1/3. So again, we're going to convert it into an improper fraction. 2 and 1/6 is the same thing as 13 over 6. And 3 and 1/3 is the same thing as 10 over 3. Our common denominator for this question is just 6. We're going to leave 13 over 6 as it is. But for 10 over 3, we're going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. 2 times 10 is 20 over 6. 13 plus 20 is 33 over 6. And we can simplify this. We can divide the top and bottom by 3 to get 11 over 2. Number 4, we have 5 plus 3 and 2/5. For this one, since 5 is just a whole number and not a mixed fraction, we can just add them together. So 5 plus 3 and 2/5 would be 8 and 2/5. We can turn this into an improper fraction. So the bottom stays as a 5. We're going to multiply 8 times 5, which is 40, and then add the 2. 40 plus 2 is 42. So the answer for number 4, you can either write it as 8 and 2/5 or 42 over 5. Number 5, we have 3 and 1/4 plus 8 and 1/3. We're going to convert it into an improper fraction. So 13 over 4 plus 25 over 3. Our common denominator for this one is 12. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom for 13 over 4 by 3. So 3 times 13 is 39 over 12 plus, and then we're going to multiply 25 over 3 by 4, the top and bottom. When we add them up, we get 139 over 12. And that is our final answer for number 5.